Hi everyone, how are you? Rana sir is here. Welcome to our Rana sir educational channel. Today I will talk on a topic whose name is reflection of light. In this topic, I will explain about the concept of lens. There are two types of lens. One is the concave lens and other is the convex lens. I will explain its concept in detail so you concentrate on this topic from starting to end to develop your knowledge on this point. Simultaneously, you also like this video and also you share this video with your colleagues, friends and students so that they can also update, that is improve their knowledge on this topic, and simultaneously you also subscribe this educational channel. So positively I am going to start this video, so you concentrate here. Okay student, now positively I am going to start it. This is the class 10th physics. This is the class 10th physics and it is available in both medium. One is the English medium and other is the Hindi medium. Okay. First of all, I will explain all information of lens in English and then I will translate further in Hindi. So students who are reading in Hindi medium, that is in UP board, those students can understand its concept in detail. Okay, it is also based on NCERT pattern, that is NCERT has integrity. Okay, so we have to follow that concept. Okay, integrity concept. Now one numerical I have written with respect to convex lens. So type of lens I will explain here, recognition I will also describe here, and then I will use the concept of convex lens to solve this numerical. Okay, so we concentrate here. First of all, I will write here solution. After writing solution, we will write here types of lens. Types of lenses. There are two types. One is the convex lens. Here I will say this is the concave lens and other is the, I will say here, convex lens. It is called in Hindi अवतल lens. अवतल lens. And here I will say this is the uttal lens. I will say it is the uttal lens, but I will also explain its diagram. So after looking the lens, I will explain which is the concave lens and which is the convex lens. So in the case of convex concave lens, I will show its diagram like this. So I will say this is the diagram of concave lens and this is the diagram of convex lens. Now here I will describe in concave lens, in the middle point there is thin, but in the sheets of the concave lens I will say there is fat. But in the case of convex lens, in the middle I will say that is the fat, and at the end of the lens there is thin. Okay, this is the concept of recognition of these two lenses. One is the concave lens and other is the convex lens. Okay students, now this question, which question I have written on the blackboard, that is related to concave lens. But in the case of concave lens, I will put the object at 6 location and then we will get its image. Now in fourth location I will get its real will be real inverted, and in one case the image will be erect and virtual. But in the concave lens I will put the object in two location. One will be at infinity and other will be near the concave lens. When object is contained placed at infinity, so I will get its image at focus of the concave lens. And when object will be nearer to the concave lens, so in this case I will get image between focus and optical center of concave lens. Okay, similarly I can explain the concept of convex lens also. Now on this lens I have written one numerical, and that numerical I will solve with the help of concave lens or convex lens. Okay, so you concentrate here, I am going to give its solution. So recognition of lens you have known properly. Okay, if you have any doubt, so you write your doubt point in the comment section and then you send. After sending, when I will uh, get your query, then I will analyze your query and then I will give the positively appropriate solution of your question in detail. Okay, now further now further I am going to read this question and then I will give its appropriate solution. But before solving this question, I will explain in Hindi, that is I will translate all those information into Hindi, so student who are reading in Hindi medium, those student can also understand. Because हम जानते हैं कि जो लेंस होते हैं, लेंस के दो प्रकार होते हैं, एक जो होता है अवतल लेंस होता है, दूसरा उत्तल लेंस होता है। अवतल लेंस के केस में हम वस्तु को जो होता है 6 जगह पर रखते हैं, 6 प्लेस पर रखते हैं, जिसके करस्पॉन्डिंग हमें जिसके करस्पॉन्डिंग हमें इमेज बनता है। तो हम एक बार ऑब्जेक्ट को जो होता है इन्फिनिटी पर रखते हैं, एक बार हम वक्रता केंद्र पर रखते हैं और एक बार इन्फिनिटी और वक्रता केंद्र के बीच में रखते हैं, उसके करस्पॉन्डिंग इमेज बनता है। एक बार वक्रता केंद्र और सेंटर ऑफ दैट इज वक्रता केंद्र को हम दूसरे शब्दों में सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर के भी नाम से जानते हैं। तो सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर और फोकस के बीच में रखते हैं, उसके करस्पॉन्डिंग हमें इमेज मिलता है। लेकिन जब ऑब्जेक्ट मीन्स वस्तु को जो फोकस पर रखते हैं, तो उस केस में जो इमेज बनता है वह इन्फिनिटी पे बनता है। वो इमेज जो होता है इन्फिनिटी में बनता है और वो उल्टा होता है। और जब फोकस और ऑप्टिकल सेंटर के बीच में रखते हैं, उस केस में ऑब्जेक्ट जो होता है, ऑब्जेक्ट का जो इमेज होता है वह वर्चुअल बनता है और इरेक्ट बनता है, सीधा बनता है। वर्चुअल आभासी और सीधा बनता है। ओके स्टूडेंट, नाउ in the case of convex lens I will solve this question. Okay, you concentrate here, I am going to solve this question. That is, first of all I will write a given that now here I will read the question and then I will write all those informations which are available in the question, and then I will use the concept of convex lens and then I will solve this question that is I will get the solution of this question. Okay, an object 5 centimeter in length is placed 25 meter away from the converging lens of focal 10 centimeter. Focal length is given 10 centimeter. Draw the ray diagram. We have to draw the ray diagram and find position. I will get its position, size, and nature of image formed. Okay, so I will write information which are available in the question, and then after writing I will also describe into Hindi, so student who are reading in Hindi medium, those student can understand its concept in detail. Okay, now an object 5 centimeter in length, that is height of the object is given, that is HO is equal to 5 centimeter. Here I will say O stands for object and H stands for height. Height of the object is 5 centimeter. Now other information that is given here is placed 25 meter away from the converging length. Means the value of U that is given 25 meter, that is available in meter, 25 meter. Okay, 25 meter away from a converging lens of focal length 10 centimeter. So this is also available in centimeter. So here I will write properly in centimeter, that is cm. That is available in cm, centimeter. Okay. So I am making it underline. Now other focal length that is given f, which is equal to 10 centimeter. 10 centimeters. So we have to draw the ray diagram, and then we have to find the position, size, and nature of the image which is formed with the help of these data. Okay, so given information I have written here, so required information we have to find the value of V, and also we have to find the value of HI, that is the height of the image. So these are the two requirements which are needed, okay, from the diagram, and then we will draw its ray diagram with the help of these data. Okay, so first of all I am going to translate all these informations into Hindi, so students who are reading in Hindi medium, that is in UP board, those students can understand this solution of this question and also the concept of lens. Okay, तो यहाँ पर कहा गया एन ऑब्जेक्ट 5 सेंटीमीटर इन लेंथ, एक ऑब्जेक्ट है जिसकी लंबाई जो था 5 सेंटीमीटर है और उसको प्लेस्ड किया जाता है, रखा जाता है कि कहाँ पर 25 सेंटीमीटर अवे, अवे का मतलब दूर, फ्रॉम एक कन्वर्जिंग लेंस। जो कन्वर्जिंग लेंस है, कन्वर्जिंग लेंस का मीनिंग होता है कन्वेक्स लेंस है, उस कन्वेक्स लेंस से जो होता है 25 सेंटीमीटर दूर जो होता है ऑब्जेक्ट को रखा जाता है। ऑफ फोकल 10 सेंटीमीटर, फोकल जो होता है 10 सेंटीमीटर दिया गया है, कहा गया ड्रॉ द रे डायग्राम, रे डायग्राम ड्रॉ करना है और उसके बाद से फाइंड करना पोजीशन, द रे डायग्राम एंड फाइंड पोजीशन, साइज एंड नेचर ऑफ इमेज फॉर्म, उसके करस्पॉन्डिंग जो इमेज बनता है उस इमेज का नेचर क्या है, उसका साइज क्या है और वो कहाँ कितने डिस्टेंस पे उसका इमेज बनता है, वो सारे इंफॉर्मेशन को हमको फाइंड आउट करना। ओके स्टूडेंट, नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू ड्रॉ इट्स रे डायग्राम। नाउ कन्वर्जिंग लेंस आई एम गोइंग टू ड्रॉ हियर, सो दिस इज ए convex lens. Now I will draw a line and the name of that line is called principal axis, PRINCIPAL, principal axis. So this name of this length I will write principal axis. Okay, and it is called in Hindi mukh aksh. Now this length, the name of this length I will say, this is the name of the lens is, here I will say convex lens. This is the convex lens. In Hindi that is called uttal lens. Okay. Now this convex lens has two focus and two center of curvature. That is two focus. One focus is f1, other focus is f2, that is other side, and here is center of curvature c1, and in this side I will say center of curvature will be c2. Okay, this is the center of curvature. So this is the center of curvature c1, force f1, and other side force f2, and a center of curvature that is c2. C2. Now in Hindi that is called f1. उत्तल लेंस में जो होता है दो फोकस और दो वक्रता केंद्र होता है। एक फोकस को f1 और वक्रता केंद्र को c1 कहेंगे, और दूसरे फोकस को f2 और वक्रता केंद्र को c2 कहेंगे। अब इसमें जो होता है ऑब्जेक्ट को जो होता है हम 6 लोकेशन पर रखते हैं। एयरलाइन को प्रोसीड करेंगे तो ये कहाँ तक जाएगा, ये इन्फिनिटी अनंत तक जाएगा। तो एक जो होता है अनंत पर हम ऑब्जेक्ट को रखेंगे, दूसरा बात जो होता है अनंत और वक्रता केंद्र के बीच में रखेंगे, और तीसरा जो होता है वक्रता केंद्र पर रखेंगे, चौथा जो होता है वक्रता केंद्र और फोकस के बीच में रखेंगे, और पांचवा जो होता है फोकस पर रखेंगे, और छठवा जो होता है फोकस और ऑप्टिकल सेंटर। मीन्स एक लाइन ड्रॉ करेंगे, वो लाइन जो होता है सेंटर के लेंस के सेंटर से पास होगा, वहाँ पर ऑप्टिकल सेंटर ओ कहेंगे, और ए ओ और f1 के बीच में रखेंगे एक ऑब्जेक्ट को। तो इस केस में जो होता है हमें 6 तरह का इमेज फॉर्म होता है। एक जब अनंत पर रखेंगे तो उस केस में फोकस पर बनेगा, जब अनंत और वक्रता केंद्र के बीच में रखेंगे तो उस केस में फोकस और वक्रता केंद्र के बीच में बनेगा, जब वक्रता केंद्र पर रखेंगे तो वक्रता केंद्र पर दूसरे साइड में बनेगा, वक्रता केंद्र c1 और f1 के बीच में रखेंगे तो उस केस में जो होता है c2 के बाहर बनेगा, जब फोकस पर रखेंगे तो जब फोकस पर रखते हैं तो अनंत पर जाकर बनता है, दैट इज इन्फिनिटी पर। जब फोकस और ऑप्टिकल सेंटर के बीच में रहते हैं उस केस में जो होता है वर्चुअल इमेज बनता है और सीधा बनता है इरेक्ट लेंस के वाले साइड में। Okay, these are the informations which are available in the case of convex lens. So in convex lens I keep object in 6 location to get its image. One is available at infinity, and second is infinity, between infinity and c1, and at c1, and also c1 and f1, in between f1 and c1, and next will be at f1, and other will be f1 in between f1 and o. So corresponding these position I will get image which is formed by convex lens. Okay, now one information that is available here, and that information I will use here to get the appropriate ray diagram of the given data. Okay students, so you concentrate here. I am going to read the question, and after reading question I will put the object, and then I will evaluate the requirement of the question positively. So this is the principal axis, I have to draw it. Now here object height is 5 centimeter. Now I will also do sign convention along y-axis. I will say this is the y-axis, and along positive y-axis I will take positive sign, and this is the positive x-axis. I will say positive will be in the right hand side and negative will be in the left hand side. So this is 25 centimeter. It means that this is 10 centimeter. Focal length is 10. So it will be at this point, that is 25 centimeter away, and focal length is given there 5 centimeter. So I am erasing it, and after erasing I will draw its array diagram. Okay, now from optical center of the convex lens to the left hand side, I will put here minus sign. It will be minus. It means that focal length is given here. Focal length is given here, thus 10 centimeter. So this will be 20. It means that object is available. Object is available near the center of curvature, first center of curvature. So its height is given 5 centimeter, that is written here. Now this length is available 10 centimeter. This length is available here 10 centimeter. Properly I will write here, this is 10 centimeter, 10 cm. Now its direction will be minus, its value will be minus, and this is the object. So I will draw here dotted line, and then I will say this length is minus 25 centimeter. This is the value of u. This is the value of u I have written here. The value of u I have written here 25 centimeter. This is 25 centimeter. Now I will draw a line which is, I will draw a ray which is parallel to the principal axis, and it will meet at the center of the optical center line, and it is passing through focus. It is passing through focus. Now other other line, other ray which is going, other line which is going here, I will write this is F2 and this is C2. Other line that is going through optical center. One ray which is passing through parallel to the principal axis, and it is reaching at the optical center of the convex lens, and then it is passing through focus. Now second ray, it is going from object to optical center of the convex lens, and it is intersecting the previous ray between F2 and C2. So this is the image which is formed. So this length, the I will say this height is the object height, and its value is available here 5 centimeter, and this height I will say this is the image height, and its name is HI. HI stands for height of the image. Okay, so we will also calculate the length. We will also calculate length of this image from the optical center of the length. This is the V. We have to calculate the value of V, and also I will calculate the value of HI, that is the height of the image. Okay, so we have to calculate two parameters. One is the V, whose name is the image distance from the center of the convex lens, and HI is the height of the image. Already I have kept here. Okay, so I will use the lens formula to evaluate the value of V, and then again I will use another formula, that is the magnification by lens formula, and then we will evaluate the value of H. So properly one by one I will solve it. Okay, so here I have I have taken two ray, one ray which is going parallel to the principal axis and it is meeting at the optical center of the lens. This line is called optical line. Optical line. This is the optical line of the lens. Lens. Optical line of the lens, and it is passing through other side from the focus f2, and it is going up to infinity. Now second ray which is passing through the optical center and it is going to infinity, but it is intersecting between f2 and c2, so image is formed here. So the length from this point to the optical center of the lens, I will say that is the image length. And also we will calculate the height from the principal axis to the intersection point, that is called image height. So all these two information I will get from the formula, lens formula, and then we will say this is the appropriate ray diagram of the given question. And here from the figure I will also explain nature of the image. So I will say nature of the image is real, but it is diminished and it is also inverted. So all these informations I will explain one by one. Now all these informations I am going to tell in Hindi, so student who are reading in Hindi medium, that is in UP board, those student can understand its concept in detail. यहाँ पर कहा गया कन्वर्जिंग लेंस लेना है. कन्वर्जिंग लेंस का हिंदी होता है उत्तल लेंस. Here I am going to write उत्तल lens. I will write here उत्तल लेंस. तो एक उत्तल लेंस लिए हैं. उत्तल लेंस के सेंटर में एक लाइन ड्रॉ की है, उसको ऑप्टिकल लाइन ऑफ द लेंस कहते हैं. लेंस का ऑप्टिकल लाइन होता है. उस लाइन पर इस ऑब्जेक्ट से दो रे को हम पास करेंगे. दो रे को मतलब दो किरण को पास करेंगे. एक जो ऑप्टिकल सेंटर से मीट करेगा, मीट करने के बाद से दूसरे साइड में वो फोकस f2 से पास करेगा, क्योंकि उत्तल लेंस में जो होता है दो फोकस और दो वक्रता केंद्र, एक f1 फोकस एक साइड में, दूसरे साइड में f2 फोकस. पहले साइड में वक्रता केंद्र c1 और दूसरे साइड में वक्रता केंद्र c2 होता है. हम जानते हैं कि दो फोकस होता है, दो वक्रता केंद्र होता है. वक्रता केंद्र को इंग्लिश में सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर कहते हैं. ओके, नाउ अकॉर्डिंग टू द क्वेश्चन के अनुसार जो होता है वस्तु को रखा गया 25 सेंटीमीटर की दूरी पर, लेकिन साइन कन्वेंशन हम यहाँ पे एक्सप्लेन करेंगे, क्योंकि साइन कन्वेंशन अगर क्लियर नहीं होगा तो इस क्वेश्चन का सॉल्यूशन रॉन्ग होगा। इसलिए जहाँ पर ऑप्टिकल सेंटर है उस लाइन को जो होता है हम वाई एक्सिस कहेंगे, और इससे राइट हैंड साइड में जो होता है हम एक्स एक्सिस कहेंगे, पॉजिटिव एक्स एक्सिस, उसके लेफ्ट में निगेटिव एक्स एक्सिस कहेंगे। पॉजिटिव एक्स एक्सिस के डायरेक्शन में पॉजिटिव साइन लेंगे और निगेटिव एक्स एक्सिस के डायरेक्शन में निगेटिव साइन लेंगे। ओके, और इस प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस के ऊपर अपवर्ड डायरेक्शन में हम पॉजिटिव साइन लेंगे, और इस प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस के नीचे जो होता है हम निगेटिव साइन लेंगे। प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस को हिंदी में मुख्य अक्ष के नाम से भी जानते हैं। ओके, नाउ तो इस ऑब्जेक्ट को जब यहाँ से लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में रखा गया तो ये डिस्टेंस जो होता है -25 सेंटीमीटर होगा। उसी तरीके से फोकल लेंथ भी जो होता है -10 सेंटीमीटर होगा। अब लेंस के फार्मूला को यूज करके हम v के वैल्यू को इवेल्युएट करेंगे। ओके स्टूडेंट, सो okay student, now I am going to use lens formula to evaluate the image length from the optical line, optical center of the convex lens. Okay, you concentrate here. Now I am going to erase the data which is already I have written in the diagram, that is HO which is equal to 5 centimeter, and the value of U I have represented here, and this is the focal length, that is 10 centimeter. Focal length, that is 10 centimeter, I have written there. Okay, so all data I have written in the diagram. Now I am going to evaluate its value. Here I will write one information, that is as we know that from lens formula, here I will write 1 divided by f which is equal to 1 divided by v minus 1 divided by u. So in this formula I will substitute the value of f, value of u, and then we will evaluate the value of v. So 1 by 10 which is equal to 1 divided by v minus 1 divided by, in the bracket I have to write here 25. Okay, so in the lens formula I have substituted the value of f and u. Now we will evaluate the value of v, and then I will write here the value of v, that will be from the O to this image point. Here I will say this image, here I am going to say this is A and this is B. So it will be B dash and it will be A dash. So here I will say this is A dash and it is B dash. Okay, so properly I will write. See, so here I will say 1 by 10 which is equal to 1 by v, this is minus and this is minus, multiplication of minus into minus, that will be plus. So I can write 1 by 10 which is equal to 1 by v plus 1 by 25. Okay student, if you have any doubt, so you write your doubt point in the comment section and then you send. Then I will study, that is analyze your query, and then I will give positive solution for your query in detail. Okay, now further we have to calculate the value of v. Okay, now all these informations I am also going to translate into Hindi. So student who are reading in Hindi medium, that is in UP board, those student can understand easily. यहाँ पर कहा गया कि जो वस्तु का हाइट है वो 5 सेंटीमीटर है, और उत्तल लेंस के जो सेंटर है उस सेंटर से जो था वस्तु को जो था 25 सेंटीमीटर की दूरी पर रखा गया है। अब वो उस वस्तु से जो था दो रे को हम पास कर रहे हैं। एक रे को जो होता है मुख्य अक्ष के समानांतर लेके जा रहे हैं। समानांतर का मतलब होता है मुख्य अक्ष के समानांतर पैरेलल लेके जा रहे हैं। तो किसके पैरेलल? मुख्य अक्ष के, जो प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस है उसके पैरेलल लेके जा रहे हैं। ऑप्टिकल लाइन से टकराएगा, टकराने के बाद से लेंस के दूसरे साइड F2 फोकस से पास होगा, वह इंफिनिटी पर चला जाएगा। अब दूसरा रे जो होता है, दूसरा किरण को जो होता है ऑप्टिकल सेंटर से पास करेगा और वो फोकस F2 और वक्रता केंद्र C2 से के बीच में वो मीट करेगा। मिलने के बाद से वो भी इंफिनिटी पे चला जाएगा। तो ये दोनों इमेज, दोनों लाइन का जो इंटरसेक्शन बी डैश पे हो रहा है वही हमारा इमेज बना है। ओके, तो यहाँ पर ए है और ए डैश और ओ के बीच की दूरी को हम भी कहते हैं, जिसको जो होता है इमेज इमेज डिस्टेंस कहते हैं। ये इमेज डिस्टेंस कहेंगे। भी को जो होता है हम इमेज डिस्टेंस कहेंगे, इमेज की दूरी। और यहाँ पर जो ए बी जो इमेज है इसका हेड ऊपर है, लेकिन ए डैश बी का हेड जो होता है नीचे है, इसलिए जो इमेज बना है उल्टा बना है, वास्तविक बना है और उल्टा बना है। ओके, सो दीज आर द इंफॉर्मेशन। और इसका नेचर जो होता है, ये जो होता है वास्तविक है और उल्टा है। लेकिन हम इस डायग्राम को हम रे डायग्राम कहेंगे। ओके, इसका जो पोजीशन है वो पोजीशन हम कैलकुलेट करेंगे और इस इमेज का जो हाइट है उस हाइट को भी हम कैलकुलेट करेंगे मैग्नीफिकेशन के फार्मूले से। ओके स्टूडेंट, नाउ फर्दर आई विल evaluate the value of p, so you concentrate here. Above data I am going to erase positively. After erasing I will say 1 by v. Here I will write 1 by v, which is equal to 1 by 10 minus 1 by 25. Here I will take its LCM 10 and 25. I will say 25 into 1, that will be 25. Here I will write 25, 10 into 25. Here I will write 25 into 1 minus 1 into 10. So it will be as, here I will write 25 into 1, 25 minus 10 into 1, 10 divided by 10 into 25. So it will be 15 divided by 10 into 25. Positively here I will write as 15 divided by 10 into 25. Okay, so in the left hand side I have to write here 1 by v, which is equal to 15 divided by 10 into 25. Further I will simplify, and after simplifying I will get the value of v. Okay student, so above data I am going to erase, and after erasing I will find the value of 1 by v. 1 by v, which is equal to 15 divided by 10 into 25. 10 into 25. 5 3 ja 15, 5 2 ja 10. 5 2 ja 10. So here I can write 3 divided with 25 into 2, that will be 50. In other words, we can say that 1 by v, which is equal to 3 divided by 50. I will do here cross multiplication. After doing cross multiplication, I will get the value of v, that is v is equal to 50 divided by 3. This is centimeter. Okay, so So I will say image is formed at a distance 50 by 3 centimeter away from the convex lens. Okay, so this information I will write here positively. Image is formed, here I will write is formed image is formed at a distance of 50 divided by 3 centimeter from convex lens. Here I will write from convex lens. This is one answer of the question. Image is formed at a distance of 50 by 3 centimeter from convex lens. Okay, this is the one information I have written. This is the position, that is the distance of the image from the lens, that is 50 divided by 3 centimeter away. Okay, now further I will also calculate the value of EHI, that is the image height, by using the magnification by lens formula. Okay, so all these informations I will also translate into Hindi so student can understand its solution easily. सबसे पहले जो होता है वस्तु का दूरी दिया गया है और वो वस्तु से जो होता है दो किरण जो पास कर रहा है वो दो किरण पास कर रहा है, उसमें से एक किरण फोकस से पास कर रहा है तो फोकल डिस्टेंस दिया गया है 10 सेंटीमीटर। तो इस एफ और यू के वैल्यू को यूज किए हमने लेंस के फार्मूले से भी का वैल्यू ऑब्टेन किए। भी का वैल्यू हमको मिला कितना 50 डिवाइडेड बाई 3 सेंटीमीटर। इतने दूरी पर जो होता है लेंस से इतने दूरी पर इमेज बन रहा है। ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट वी हैव टू आल्सो नेक्स्ट जो होता है हमें एक वस्तु की हाइट दिया गया है और ये इमेज की हाइट, वस्तु की हाइट के रिस्पेक्ट में इमेज की हाइट छोटा है। ओके, उस हाइट एक्चुअल कितना होगा उस हाइट को हम कैलकुलेट करेंगे आवर्धन से, दैट इज मैग्निफिकेशन बाय लेंस फार्मूला से हम we will write here. Okay, above data I am going to erase and after erasing I will get the second requirement, that is I will write here. We know that from magnification by lenses formula, I can write here m is equal to hi divided by ho, which is equal to v divided by u. Okay, this is the formula and I will use this formula positively to evaluate the value of hi from magnification formula. I know the value of vu and also I know the value of v already available here. I will substitute here. The value of ho is given already 5 centimeter in length. Okay, so that these three values I will substitute in this formula and then we will evaluate the value of hi. Okay student, I hope that you are understanding all these informations clearly. Okay, so this is the one formula, one informations I have written here. This is one answer of this question. Now we have to calculate also the length of EHI from the diagram. Okay student, if you have any doubts, so you write your doubt point in the comment section and then you send positively. I will read, that is I will analyze your query and then I will give the appropriate proper solution of your question in detail. Okay, now further I am going to remove above information and then I will utilize this formula and then we will get the value of HI. So in this formula I will substitute the value of HO and HO, V and U. So here I am writing HI divided by HO. The value of HO, that is height of the object, is 5 centimeter, which is equal to the value of V. I have got here 50 divided by 3. So here I will write 50 divided by 3. Now the value of U that is available in the diagram minus 25 centimeter. So I will simplify all these and after simplifying I will get its value. That is here in the left hand side I have to write HI divided by 5, which is equal to, now plus minus minus, now this is the numerator, this is denominator and this is also numerator and it is multiplied with denominator. So here I will write 50 divided by 3 into 25. So I will divide here 25 to the 50. So here I will write minus 2 divided by 3. Again downward I will write here HI divided by 5, which is equal to minus 2 divided by 3. Again I will do cross multiplication and after doing cross multiplication I will get the value of HI. So below data I am going to erase and for the solution I am going to provide here. I will do cross multiplication, therefore HI will be equal to 5 into 2 divided by 3. So finally I will write HI, which is equal to 5 to the 10 minus 10 divided by 3. So I will say this is the height of the image. This is second answer of this question. Okay, the second requirement of this here, 50 divided by 3, its value is 50 divided by 3. Now here there is no extra space, so I will save its value, the value of V, which is equal to 50 divided by 3 centimeter. This is the image length, that is the image distance from the center of the convex lens, from the center of the convex lens. Okay, now the value of HI and the value of V I have got here. Now we have to also write its nature. Its nature is real, diminished and diminished and also virtual, real, diminished and virtual in nature. So above informations I will erase and after erasing I will give its nature of the ray diagram. So here I will say image is diminished, image is formed diminished, real, image is formed real, diminished and virtual in nature. virtual in nature? This is the third answer of this question. So according to this way, I can write all data properly. So value of V I have calculated, the value of H I have already calculated, and its nature I have written. Image is formed real, diminished, and virtual in nature. And this is the ray diagram. Okay, student, I hope that you are understanding all these informations clearly. Therefore, you like this live. Therefore, you like this video, and also you share this video with your colleagues, friends, and students so that they can also improve, that is, update and develop their knowledge on this topic. And if you are getting any query, any doubt, so you write your doubt point in the comment section and then you send. After sending, when I will read, that is, I will analyze your query, and then I will give the positive appropriate solution of your question in detail. Okay, students, thank you for watching this video. Jai Hind, Rana sir. I will meet you next video.